It is so common for healthcare professionals to go unrepresented. It's just a factor of them not knowing that they can and should have representation.
A landlord wants a healthcare provider to think that they don't need representation for the same reason that anybody who is selling anything wants the person buying it to be as uneducated as possible, because then they're the expert. They're the ones that have all of the knowledge. They're the ones that have the upper hand in the negotiations.
If they're the ones that are controlling the whole transaction from start to finish, then they're more than likely going to be able to push their agenda to the front.
For most of our doctors, they're private practice owners, and they didn't realize sometimes the amount of business decisions they were going to have to make. A lot of doctors actually try to do this themselves. They take a DIY approach to the real estate.
The healthcare community, they're incredibly intelligent people, and yet they're being taken advantage of in this area because they don't know how to protect themselves in a commercial real estate negotiation. I realized these people need representation.
We are providing a service that was unmet before. Even though it may seem like from the outside that we are limiting ourselves, really what we're doing is we are making ourselves the utmost expert in that area.
Just like real estate brokers go to healthcare providers for healthcare, healthcare providers go to expert advisors for their real estate. People hire CARR because they want the highest level of representation with the highest level of integrity and excellence, and they want to know that their interests are always protected.
If you're doing a commercial real estate transaction, having a buyer tenant-only, healthcare-only agent is going to serve you best. We get landlords all the time saying, hey, can you list these properties for us? But we turn that away so that we can ensure that our clients are always first and protected.
Healthcare providers know that their interests are protected. They know there's no conflicts, and they know that we're going to deliver the most favorable terms possible for their practice.